Draining. Meaning, battery power decreases quickly. My phone is draining too fast, it's dead by noon. After 10 minutes of use, the battery dropped to 50%. Cracked. Meaning, the screen is broken with visible lines or chips. I dropped my phone, and the screen is cracked. The cracks make it hard to see anything. Unresponsive. Meaning, the screen or buttons don't react to touch. My phone is unresponsive when I press the home button. The screen didn't respond, so I couldn't answer the call. Frozen. Meaning, the screen is stuck and won't move or work. My phone froze while I was sending a text. I had to restart my phone because it was frozen. Muffled. Meaning, the sound is unclear or hard to hear. The speaker is muffled, I can barely hear anything. Calls sound distorted because of the muffled audio. Overheating. The phone becomes too hot during use. My phone is overheating when I watch videos. It gets so hot that I have to stop using it. Lagging. The phone works slower than usual. My phone is lagging when I open apps. Sending messages takes forever because of the lag. Restarting. The phone turns off and on by itself. My phone keeps restarting every few minutes. It randomly restarted during a video call. Blurry. The camera produces unclear or out-of-focus images. Every picture I take is blurry. The front camera is blurry, so my selfies look bad. Flickering. The screen flashes or blinks repeatedly. The screen is flickering when I adjust the brightness. It flickers so much that it hurts my eyes. Loose. Meaning, the charging port or cable doesn't fit securely. The charger keeps falling out because the port is loose. My headphones are loose and don't stay connected. Glitching. Meaning, the phone behaves oddly or has small bugs. My phone keeps glitching when I open the camera. The screen glitches, showing random lines. Freezing. Meaning, the screen stops moving or working completely. My phone is freezing every time I use this app. It froze, and I had to restart it. Disconnected. Meaning, the phone loses its connection to Wi-Fi or the network. I keep getting disconnected from Wi-Fi. The call dropped because I got disconnected. Shutting down. The phone powers off unexpectedly. My phone keeps shutting down even with full battery. It shut down in the middle of my conversation. Scratched. Meaning, the screen or body has small visible marks. My screen is scratched because I don't use a protector. The back of my phone is scratched from my keys. Shattered. The screen is broken into many small pieces. I dropped my phone, and the screen is completely shattered. The shattered glass is cutting my fingers. Locked. Access to the phone is restricted, for example, forgotten password. I can't use my phone because it's locked. I forgot my password, and now my phone is locked. Muted. Sound is turned off during calls or notifications. I missed the call because my phone was muted. The video played, but the audio was muted. Hanging. Meaning, the phone stops responding during use. My phone keeps hanging when I open the gallery. It hangs for a minute before the app works again. Clogged. The charging or headphone port is blocked by dirt. My headphone port is clogged with dust. I can't charge my phone because the port is clogged. Dented. The phone body has small damages or bends. The corner of my phone is dented from the fall. I dropped it on the pavement, and now it's dented. Ghost touch. The screen reacts without being touched. My phone has ghost touch, it opens apps by itself. The ghost touches make it impossible to type.